Welcome to Autocut's tutorial on the AutoResize feature. AutoResize uses AI to resize large sequences into smaller formats by following the main subject. For example, it can convert a 16:9 YouTube format video into a 9:16 TikTok format. This feature is perfect for adapting your videos before publishing and allows you to add a watermark, making it ideal for conference videos and social media content. First, set the in and out points to define the portion of your timeline you want to resize. Use the provided buttons to set these points and ensure they encompass the entire timeline if needed. Verify that your in and out points are correct to avoid unwanted cropping. Next, choose a preset format from the available options, such as 9:16 for TikTok or 1:1 for Instagram. If you have specific resizing needs, you can create a custom preset by adjusting the dimensions to your preference. Now, let's explore the follow subject options. The slow option makes the AI move slowly within the 16:9 frame, which may result in the subject occasionally being off-center. The normal option provides a balanced adjustment, following the subject at a standard pace. And the fast option allows the AI to quickly adjust within the 16:9 frame, ensuring the subject stays centered even during rapid movements. You can also add a watermark to your resized video. This is a great way to protect your content and maintain brand consistency. Finally, once all settings are configured, launch AutoResize. The AI will process the resizing and subject tracking automatically, creating a new sequence with the resize format. Review the results to ensure the resizing meets your expectations. Thank you for watching this tutorial on AutoResize. Remember, Autocut includes a 14-day free trial with no credit card required. Start resizing your videos effortlessly and make them perfect for any platform today.